Good afternoon, dear students, and welcome back to our today's online class. We are studying about water as a resource, chapter number 9. And in our previous class, we learned that this water exists in 3 different forms, and they are solid in the form of ice, liquid as liquid water, and finally gas as water vapor. So water exists in the nature in 3 forms. They are solid, liquid, and gas. We also learned that water is very important for all the living beings to survive. Don't you think so? Correct. We need water to drink. We use water to wash our clothes, to do our other different cleaning purposes. We also use water to take bath, and we also use water when we go to washrooms, to make ourselves clean. So water is very, very important for all the living things and to human beings as well. In our today's class, we are going to learn about what makes water dirty or impure. So let us see what makes water dirty or impure. Before understanding this, let us see which form of water is the purest form of water naturally. So the purest form of water is rainwater. Rainwater is the purest form of natural water. So whenever there is rainfall, please always think that pure form of water is coming to you. Now this rainwater, before it reaches on earth, before it reaches us on earth, certain impurities gets mixed with it and makes it dirty or unfit for drinking. Therefore, you also have to be careful that when you go out in the rain, do not drink the water directly coming from the sky in the form of rain. Why? Because when the rainwater, although rainwater is the purest form of water, when it comes down to us, it gets mixed with some impurities. And these impurities makes the water dirty or unfit for drinking. Now let us see what are the different things that makes this pure water dirty. So the first thing which makes this pure water dirty is dust particles. The dust particles which are there everywhere around us, they mix with the water and they make the water dirty. The second thing that makes water dirty is the gases present in the air. Gases such as carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, all these gases are present there in the atmosphere and they mix with the pure water and make them unfit for drinking. The third thing that makes water dirty is mud and sand. When the water comes down on the surface of the earth and when the water starts flowing on the surface, they mix with mud and sand, and these mud and sand makes the water dirty. And finally, germs. When these germs mixes with water, they make the water unfit for drinking. Why? Because these germs can cause different types of diseases. Diseases such as cholera, typhoid, diarrhea, hepatitis B, these are all different types of diseases which might be caused due to dirty water or contaminated water with germs. So these are the 4 things which might make the pure water dirty and unfit for drinking purpose. Now, since water that looks clear might contain different impurities, which might make us sick, it is important to purify the water before we use it for drinking or some other purposes. Okay, boys, therefore we must never use the rainwater directly for drinking purpose. Why? Because that rainwater, although it is the purest form of water, might contain germs that might cause disease. It might contain sand, dust particles and other different impurities. Therefore we must always purify water before drinking, and this part, purifying part, we will learn in our next class. This much for today, boys. Based on our today's learning, there is an assignment for you. Assignment number 6. Answer the following questions. What makes water impure? Question number 2. Name any 2 diseases that might be caused due to germs present in the water. Please complete your assignments. Until we meet next time, take care, stay safe, and do all things well. Bye-bye.